How to remove Instagram from another device. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log out your Instagram or remove them from any of the other device that you don't want. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram and then make sure to log into your account. So once you are logged in, all you need to do is tap on your profile section at the bottom right corner, and from here you just tap on the three dots at the top right to open up your settings. Head over to your account center. So you actually have two methods to complete this task. The first one is to change your password. To do that, you just tap on password and security and then tap on change password. Tap on Instagram, enter your current password, enter your new password, retype your new password and log out. This is the important step. You have to choose log out of other devices and choose this if someone else has used your account. So this is the first method. The second method is to manually log out of everywhere where you have previously logged in. So for that, you again need to head over to password and security, and under security checks, you have where you are logged in section. Tap on it and choose your Instagram right here. And here are all of the devices and places where your account was logged in. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you have an option to select devices to log out. Tap on it. So you can select all if you want, or select some specific ones that you want, and then tap on logout. So confirm your logout and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will catch you guys on the next one.